Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. I'm actually in a hurry because my brother and his wife and my husband and I were getting ready to go out to dinner, and my mom, I think. We're supposed to be there at 7:30, and it is 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all what I'm gonna do to my hair. My hair is air dried right now. I washed it really late last night. I didn't feel like, going through the blow dry and all that kind of stuff. I was really tired. I didn't feel well, so I just let it hang and let it air dry. So this is how my hair is when it's air dried. You can see it. So the Caruso rollers you can do on flat iron hair, you can do on roller set hair, you can do on any style. It doesn't matter what it is. You can do it even air dried hair and make your hair look like you did something to it. Okay. So the Caruso set, it looks like this. Let's see. It looks like that. I got mine from Sally's, and I think it was probably about, I think it was $49 or something like that. But trust me, it's very much so worth the investment. You get plenty of rollers. I keep mine in a bag, like a Ziploc bag. This is usually what I take if I'm traveling, if I have the space to take it. And then the rest of them are in this little basket that I have. I keep everything in here just so everything is together in this basket. This is actually 2 baskets, but yeah. So rollers in. I'm gonna let them sit in for probably about 20 minutes. They're usually set in about 15. The only thing with taking them out at 15 minutes is that they may be a little damp still, so I usually keep them in about 20 minutes or a half hour. It really just depends on how much time you have and how wet you let the rollers get when they were steaming. So again, I typically suggest no more than about 8 minutes or so. 8 minutes, 8 seconds or so. I find that for my hair, that's the perfect time. So for the length of my hair and for the thickness of my hair, which my hair is actually very fine, my strands are very fine, I just have a lot of strands. About 8 seconds for the medium size rollers. So these rollers here, about 8 seconds, but the smaller rollers, you know, the ones that I put in here, 4 to 5 seconds is best for me. It's really about playing around with the rollers and seeing what is the perfect time for you and perfect time for your hair, considering its length and thickness, and also considering how long you want the rollers to stay in, because the curls are going to set regardless. So just keep that in mind. The Caruso rollers, I got them probably about 6 years ago. I like to do these on either air dried hair or blow dried hair. It really just depends on your preference. You can do them on anything though. You can do it on air dried hair, you can do them on blow dried hair, flat ironed hair, old dirty hair. Okay, these are a lifesaver in trying to make your hair look like something when your hair is dirty. Okay, steam rollers will make your dirty hair look fabulous and like you really did something. Trust me. Okay, so try them. They're amazing. They'll make your hair feel great. They're non-damaging. They're good for your hair. I just can't say there's no cons to these rollers. The only thing that I would say is that it'll take some trial and error to find out how long you should keep the rollers on the steam. Stay tuned. I'm going to take them down so you can see how it looks. Hey guys, I'm back. So been out to dinner and everything already. It's been about 4 hours, I would say. I just wanted to show you my hair has dropped a little bit. You can see it's dropped a little bit. So over the next couple of days it'll continue to drop. I'll say that the curls last about 4 days. It just depends on how curly you want it. So it'll drop and drop and drop to a loose curl, to where you'll just have curls on the bottom, like little cute little soft curls at the bottom. So I'm going to show you all really quickly how I wrap my hair at night so we can get a nice, well-rounded video. Because sometimes when I'm watching other videos, I often wonder, well, how do you maintain it at night? How do you make sure that it lasts? So I'm just going to show you really quickly. So I use the pineapple method for anything, any curly hairstyle that I do. So if it's Bantu knots, if it's these curls, braid outs, whatever the case may be, this is what I do to wrap it at night. And this is where my curls drop to over the course of the night. Okay. All right, so for the front, I just kind of take it and roll like that. And then I try and push all of my hair straight up so that all the curls are on top. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of gather my hair almost like I'm trying to do a high ponytail. So I'm just gonna kind of twist this side too and bring all of my curls to the top of my head. I try not to use a clip or any of those sorts of things because I don't want it to put dents or anything like that in my hair. But if you have to, you can certainly do that. Should I get my scarf ready? Okay, so I'm just gonna take my scarf and make sure your scarf is clean. Try and wash your scarves every time that you wash your hair, so that your hair. Okay, look. Have your scarf ready before you get your hair into position. All right. All right. So just on the top of my head like that. Just like that. Okay. So this will be flat when I put my scarf on, but the curls will be on the top. Like this. So all my curls are sitting up here. You notice I didn't pull this middle like everybody does when you wrap your hair and you want it to stay tight. I wouldn't do that. I don't sleep in bonnets because they come off too easily. So yeah, that's how I wrap my hair at night. And that is it. Please subscribe, rate, comment, and share. I'm so happy to have gotten to 55 subscribers, I believe that I have at this moment. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. Please like and comment, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye bye.